Hi everyone, welcome back to another table topic today. So, the table topic is: has your greatest fear ever come true? Has your greatest fear ever come true? We all have fears and we dread those fears. We feel that, and we always try to be away from those fears. We try to make it possible that that fear should not come true. Many times it happens that your fear come fear comes true because as the Maslow's law, whatever you think is going wrong will be going to wrong. So I was just kidding about that law. So sometimes it doesn't, and many times those fears are the shackles that we bind as per our mind. Those are the imaginary fears many times. And if you don't take time to come out, if you don't have, and if we don't have the courage, or if we don't try to build the courage to come out of those shackles, because then we always try, we always trapped in those fears. Our goal should be to come out those fears. Uh, if I talk about me, has my greatest fear ever come true? Mm, no. And why is that my greatest? And it depends on my greatest fear. That my greatest fear has always been that if I'm not able to live up to the potential that I have. I believe that everybody is a different potential, and some people gets lucky, some people don't. I don't look at all the successful people in the same way, and I also don't look uh, the unsuccessful people in the way that they haven't achieved something. For me, both are the same. Some were lucky and some were don't. What makes me think is if somebody hasn't or hadn't tried something. So there, we look around, we find so many people. They have lots of potential. Some people try and some people don't. Sometimes some people reach the potential, some people don't. So I always try to avoid that regret that what if I'm not able to achieve or fulfill my potential. I'm fine if I don't reach at the top, if I don't be the best of all. It is absolutely fine. I just want to peak my potential. That's the only fear that I have. Maybe it will come true or maybe it's not, but I will try to make sure that it doesn't come true. And my message to all is that we all have some fears, and these are the imaginary uh, that these are things that we make us believe, and those fears might not be true. Just take out some time, think about those, and try to overcome that. And I think you will be moving in the right direction. Thank you. Over to you.